this has been at least a 2-year process for us. We really started with our entire teaching staff, identifying our district-wide instructional philosophies. And so those ideals, we searched for a classroom multimedia solution that would help teachers and students make that more realistic on a daily basis in the classroom.
So one thing we have wanted to do and have had conversations around is allowing students mobility and flexibility with who they're working with, how they're working with them in their classroom. But really the teacher was still stagnant in the corner of whatever corner that their desktop was at. And so what we want to do is take that teacher from the front of the class or the back of the class where they always have to be and allow them flexibility to work directly along students in there.
When we were looking at updating our classrooms for multimedia, we were looking at different vendors for speaker systems, for wiring, cabling, connections to our teacher devices. The BenQ gave us an all-in-one solution. The video quality is extremely high quality. The sound quality is better than our ceiling speakers, and it allowed us to kind of eliminate the costs around updating a classroom with an all-in-one solution.
Since getting the board, some of the biggest impacts that I've seen in student learning is definitely the engagement piece. Students, it's a wow factor when they first come into a room with one of the BenQ boards. They all love to write on it. They love to see the different things that we can do on that board. And at this point, getting anything that can get our students more engaged is a game changer.
The biggest change I've seen in students' performance since we got the board is the excitement they have for just engaging with the board. I mean, which is engaging with their learning, because that's what we're using it for.
So I say with the technology of BenQ, my students have noticed about how more visible the screen is. They're more engaged themselves. They enjoy looking at it. The pictures and the videos that are shown on BenQ, it's a better image quality, and they really enjoy them being a part of the classroom.
They're going to be able to substitute right away for what they're already doing. They're going to be able to take this board and do exactly what they did before with a projector and a screen, and it's already going to be better. And then you slowly are going to add on your skills. You don't have to know how to do everything to be able to use the board and teach. You can just pretty much turn it on and substitute, and you'll be good to go.
As a co-teacher, I travel from classroom to classroom, so I'm in a completely different building sometimes. The nice thing about transferring between buildings and transferring from classroom to classroom with my card on the BenQ board, I can just ding, I'm in, and then I can access my drive.
One of the things that we have unique in our room right now is one of my sales students has not been able to join us physically this year. She has health issues that prevent her from joining us. And the BenQ board, we've hooked up a video. We got the video camera that goes with that. And so on a regular basis, she is able to join us during the week and engage in just getting back in touch with her classmates. And this was the one thing that she was most upset about, not being able to come back to school, is she wouldn't be able to be in sale on a regular basis. So being able to have the video, it's made it much easier to keep her part of the group.
There's definitely an excitement, and there's a buzz. Everybody is just really excited to see how they can make it work for them, how they can make it work for their teaching style, and how they're using technology, because everybody's going to use it in a different way. So if I am constantly using Easy Write and I'm using slides, there might be a teacher down the hall who has a different way of doing things and is utilizing different apps. So it's just cool to learn from each other and have the opportunity to see what other people are doing as well.
So one of the things I love about the BenQ board is it lets me teach in the style that fits me. And I like to be in front of the class, and I like to be interacting with my students. I like to be present, and I can be there because I have everything in the board ready to go. I don't have to walk over to a desk, walk over to a desktop. I love the way that it lets me teach in the style that works for me.
BenQ has allowed me to teach the way that I would like to teach in my classroom and has allowed me to teach my way.